In this video, I will show you how to share a folder in Google Drive. First, open Google Drive. Click the folder you want to share. Click the share icon. Ito po yung may tao at plus sign sa upper right corner. Ngayon po, kailangan nyo mag-decide kung sino ang dapat may access sa folder. First, individuals po ba? For example, your department head. Kung gusto po natin na specific na tao ang magkaroon ng access sa folder, click on the Add People and Groups text box and type the email address of the person who needs to have access to the folder. Ngayon po, click natin ang drop-down sa right side ng email address. You have three options. Gusto po ba natin na bigyan ng viewer access ang individual? Ibig sabihin, they can only see the folder and they can open all the files inside it. Or gusto po ba natin na pwedeng mag-comment ang bibigyan natin ng access sa folder? If yes, click Commenter. Or gusto po ba natin na pwede mag-add, edit, delete, and move ng files sa loob ng folder ang person na bibigyan natin ng access sa folder? For this one, I will choose Viewer Access. Gusto ko makita lang ni department head ang laman ng folder na ito. Kung gusto natin padalhan si individual ng email informing them that we shared to them a folder, iwan po natin na naka-check ang checkbox. We can also add a short message informing them what we are sharing and what we want them to do with the folder and the files inside it. Click Send. Now, we're going to discuss giving access to the organization. Instead of typing a name on top, we are going to click on the Get Link section of the pop-up window. Here, you have three options. First option is restricted. Ito yung ginawa natin earlier na kung sino lang yung nilagay nating email address, sila lang ang may access sa folder. The second option is the organization name. Kung sino na part ng group na ito can either view, comment, or edit the file, depende kung anong pipiliin natin. Ang audience na ito ay defined by the Google Administrator. Essentially, you select this if you want to share the folder to a lot of people within your school. Kailangan nila mag-login sa school Google account nila bago makita ang folder. The last option is anyone with a link, meaning anyone in the whole world that has a copy of the link can either view, comment, or edit the folder. Again, depende kung ano yung pipiliin natin. I selected the lesson plan folder and I only want people within the school to be able to comment on it. I will select the organization name with comment access. If you have any questions about this video, please leave a comment below.